This is a bomb.
From Grandsman to jungle, from Spanglass to Gal, from town to Spanish town.
Me see the whole of Jamaica. Taxi chichi bus driver. The Taliban suicider. From Southside to Warwick. Me see the whole universe. Nah, no head. Go on the gas pump, figure light a big head. You wanna say, yeah, but you want everybody dead. Me say, me no business, call me nah, no head. Anyway, me go a dust beard on the shed. The grandma, grandpa, baby are dead. It's obvious. We shut at them nah, no head. People coming at me house and laugh to them. Bed food, bedside, you don't have nothing. You have some gal when nah, no head. We see good man and wake up a dead boy. Hey, predator, me I beg you 100. Stand there, wait and first verse. What is up, guys? We're here again. Me not going to a big intro, because I just want to do that video quick and fast today. I want to do that video just dropped. I mean, I waste no time. But before I do anything else, do this. Alright. Know you like it. Before we start, okay. Let's start. This is Tion, Deluded featuring Mist. Grime Daily, big up yourself, Grime Daily. Again. Alright, let's go, people. Let's go, man. Let's go.
I love Chris Rich.
Still bangles.
This is too far, man.
Yo, that video I gonna be fire already. Me just feel it. I'm a bone. Me feel it. I'm belly. That video I gonna be fire. It a bubble up. Brrr. It a bubble up to start something. It a bubble up. You still have a chance to like the video. You still have a chance to like it. So let's go.
Slap it and stop that music. You mad, you fucking stupid. On me you're deluded. Is it the crack or the bee you're abusing?
Where you smoke? What are you smoking? Where you smoke? You smoke lizard tail? Yeah, where you smoke? You smoke leaf? You smoke crack? You smoke heroin, brother? You smoke rum? I mean, you want challenge? You'll be dead. Try know that. You'll be dead.
Yo, make a man gone if you lose it. Yo, my niggas run up and until the 9 won't bark off. Bow! Where you smoking, star dog?
Make a man go bark off. Bop, where you smoke, dog? Me just asked you that a while ago. What are you smoking? Where you smoke? You alright? You lick your head? You want to see a doctor? Try find yourself before you try disrespect me. Cause you don't know who you're ramp with. I'm a mad man.
We just took the 4-5 from the up now. Why we gotta ride out on a car lot? Why my nigga so evil? Star dog killing my people.
Nigga so evil. Star dog killing my people. Remember, say me up the 4-5 from up north, you know. The 4-5 are up north. Alright, so if it's London, up north are gonna be like Manchester, Liverpool, and them side there. Nottingham, them side there. Up north. You see me? Yeah. Now the 4-5 from up there, so that him say a while ago. No. If that's not what he said, let me know, please. Let's go.
The kickback so lethal, always got something illegal. Every time I gotta shoot it, it's a full clip. This ain't no Russian roulette.
every time. I have the shooter. Alright, first him said the kickback is hard. So he knows there's a ras gun in the brother. It's a 4-5 in the brother. Look on them gun here. A pretty gun them in the dog. You see me? Rich badness if you buy them gun here. Them gun here expensive. You see me? The man say, yo, him clip always full. This is a Russian roulette. Him clip them always full. So try no say if you ramp me race out everything for you. Make your mother ball. Me make your mama ball at your funeral.
I'm the Emerton UF, man, a bad man, still a boss, I want 2-step. Try run up on me with no weapon. Bye. Which drug are you taking?
Try run up on me with no weapon. Which drugs you take, boy? Which drugs you take, boy? You try run up on me with no weapon? What you feel say this is what? Power Ranger? You feel say this is bomb? I want to hear you. You feel say some karate thing this? Yeah, we get pellet. Yeah, we get gunshot. Enough.
When I put on my block, I'm a legend. Every day, man, Emerton stepping. I still catch me an M and make me an M off music. Still got a short fuse, yeah, man go mad when I lose it, mad.
Me still dep on the road. Me make a M on the road and make a M off of music. So that's a 2M, 2 million. Man go mad when I lose it. Hey boy, you know what I see me when me get dark, you know. When time I dark I want me eye. Red me I see. Nothing else. Red. Hey boy. Man turn into the devil. And broke up your family and you. I want to you. If me can't catch you, me catch you one of little idiot conk brother man conk them in them head. You see me? Yeah. And hey boy, know yourself.
Get stupid, did road, did music. Take what, live, where are you tooting? Are you mad, are you stupid? Man, a man just get wounded.
Live where? You can't diss me and live where? Live where you gonna live? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna do? Where you gonna do when me come for you? What you gonna do? You stupid? Eh? Even if you live in a light bulb. Even if you live in a light bulb. See light bulb, yeah? Even if you live in a light bulb, me still a deal with you wicked. Try know that. Must catch you.
No Jimmy's just throat sex, just had a shot with the hostess. 2020 on phone.
Bomb beat. I want to get that gun there from. A GTA thing. Only place me see that gun at GTA, no. Minigun. Hear me, brother. Me can ask you a question. Can I rent this gun from you for 2 days? No, 2 hours. No, 2 minutes. Me have one black one I want shell down. Me have black one I want shell down. Me can rent it from you, please? Just please, me I beg you. Like, make it reach me, dog. Just make it reach me, brother.
𝐂𝐀𝐿 14, I was homeless. Like, where do I start off? My young boy called M Nice parked up. I'm in his zone and we park off.
Man said, 14 I was homeless. You don't think we missed that? Man said, 14 I was homeless. Now we're in 2020. So that was what? Boom, 6 years ago. 6 years ago, I'm homeless. Now look at me. My views are climbing and grime daily. I'm a star. Look at my chain. Look at me. Yo, I'm doing my thing. People have to pay for see me because my presence is not free anymore. I was homeless. I was living on the street. People used to walk past me. Now, you have to pay for see me because my presence not free. You have to pay for watch me pay your TV. Remember, you have to pay TV license. I ain't gonna there. Let's go.
Yo, step it and stop that music. Are you mad? Are you fucking stupid? On me or deluded? Is it a pack of the B or boozing?
Yo, me ask you again, dog. Where you smoke? Where you depend? I mean, you want rampant? Wrong smarty. Wrong smarty. Wrong smarty. You're dead.
Snap it and put your bum in the air, let me Yo, make a man gone if you lose it. Yo, my niggas run up and shoot it. Who God bless, no man curse. Every other day, yeah, man get burst.
When me I travel upon the road, first of all, I make sure I have 2 things. 2, not a 4. 2 things. 2 things. I want to have for me. The big 4 or 5 up on my waist. See me? Tuck in. And my Bible in my back pocket. You know, look a small Bible in my back pocket. Who God bless, no man curse. Now I left my Bible. So when we kill you, I'm going to say a Psalms. When we kill you, drink some rum, I'm going to say a Psalms. Try know that. No joke about that. You're dead. This one is very violent. I like it. Yeah.
On the net, but you're not direct in the flesh, you fucking nerd. In a car with a 10-year bird, and how we look clean when we come from dirt for the rap.
I'm willing to take that risk. I'm willing to take that risk. You know why? Because you are an internet badman. You are a Twitter finger. You are a nobody. You are a keyboard warrior. Eh? On the net. You have to suck your mom blood. You know a bad man blood. Suck your mom blood. And I text. See me? Suck your mom blood. You know a bad man blood. Watch when I see you. Pussy, see me in the flesh. See me now. What you do? What you say? See me here. I'm here. What are you saying? Eh? My youth. I have the thing in my car. 10 years. 10 years. If the boy them catch me with this at 10 years. You know why? It have a couple shootings on it already. So it hot. Hot. No ramp. Kill you.
And what if I'm famous? Yo, I love to slide. Get brainless with a stainless. Bust this 9, I'ma up this crime.
Man says, so what if me famous? So what if me famous? What is it if I'm famous? Me not business. Me not care. Me not care if people recognize me on the street. Me will kill you. You're deaf. You're dead. No ramp. So what if me famous? Me still a slide. Me still a go on apps. Me still a do it, brother. Prison no make for dog. Prison make for man. So me can angle prison life. But me will kill you and go hold a prison sentence. Me don't have my money already and my family alright. Them can go and live until me forward back. You see me? Me will kill you, brother. No ramp. That the man I say, not me. Big up.
Rich for the hood, but I love this life. Didn't pay by the plug, I just plugged in time. So me come round, but they all cut inside. Kill a shit fam, but you love fucking die.
Yo, me like the fact say, them not have no whole heap of new flashy car in this. As some old school BMW. You see me? You see me? Me like the fact say them have that concept they're going there. That video nice, that video good.
Oh, step it and stop that music. Are you mad? Are you fucking stupid? On me or deluded? Is it the crack or the B or
smoking?
Step it and put your bum in the air. Let me.
Hey girl, turn round. Arch your back. Hey girl, arch your back. Turn round. Stick out your chest. Put your butt in the air. Remember, ram out your hole. Cause you have some girl don't know how to arch them back, you know. Ladies, to arch your back, you have to stick out your chest. You have to stick out your chest. So you know, say, whole I pum pum their back. Kids, if you're watching, I'm sorry, but I have to say that. The whole I pum pum their back when you stick out your chest, baby. Let's go.
Yo, make a man gone if we lose it. Yo, my niggas wanna.
Video clean. Yo, the video clean, dog. Video clean, brother. Me see a famous face in that a while ago. Where the youth name we see a while ago? See him there. Where him name? Where him name? Where him name again? As straight as a rapper. What is his name? I know Eskimo that. No. Where him name? See them they all looking care of them. Them nice, dog. Them nice. Nice video set in London also. You can see the skyline. What that? The Millennium Dome. What is that? What is that building behind there? Mr. Boss it, you know. Mr. Boss the rifle. Look on it, brother. Extension clip full up in that day. And it was about 32 another clip there, brother. Don't ask me how I know. Don't ask me how I know how much you know. Right, out hard about how I know. Don't do that. Don't do it.
Are you mad? Are you fucking
stupid? See the gun there when I want rent. Me just want rent the gun. Me just want rent the gun, brother. Me just want rent it. Where say me can rent it? Where say me can rent it, my G? Young artists, if you want on the track featured on the channel, click my Instagram link in the description and link me in my DM and make we talk. Make we rush up something. You see me? Make we talk. Just talk to me. Just talk to me nice.
Are you mad? Are you fucking
stupid? Directed by Kelvin Jones by Cartix. Like me say, young artists, just link up, make a drink up, you know the thing go. You see me? Remember the channel I grow fast, you know the channel I grow fast, so you know the thing go. You know what, Mr. One time the channel too big and you link me and you can't find the DM them, you know. Well, me can't see the DM them because too much people are link me, you know. So if you link me from early, you see me? Yeah, that.
Yo, my niggas wanna.
Yo, good track. Love this track. Violent. Hyped up. Badness. B-A-D-N-A. Badness. Like I'm start the song with lots of energy. This is how the intro, the video with lots of energy. This is how the track goes. But what time is it? What? Now watch again. But look at more people. If you like the video, if you like it from the start, don't want to like it now. Please subscribe if you're new though. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace out.